Get softener lips this winter with these 8 top rated scrubs and treatment. Winter can be harsh on your lips. One day they feel fine and the next day they are dry, cracked, peeling and painful. No matter how expensive your lipstick is, dry lips can ruin the entire look. If you are tired of constantly repelling lip balms and still not getting soft lips, then this video is for you. Today I am sharing 8 top rated lip scrub and treatment that actually work in winter and help you get smooth, soft and healthy lips. So make sure to watch till the end because the last treatment is a game changer of extremely dry lips. Why lips get dry in winter? Before we jump into the product, let's quickly understand why lips suffer so much in winter. Lips do not have oil glands like the rest of your skin. Cold air, low humidity heaters, and hot drinks pull moisture out of your lips. On top of that, licking lips making dryness even worse. That's why you need two things in winter: gentle exfoliations are to remove dead skin's deep treatment to lock in moisture. Number one, sugar based lip scrub. A sugar lip scrub is one of the safest and most effective way to exfoliate lips in winter. Sugar gently remove dead skins while keeping lips soft. Many top-rated scrubs also contain oils like coconut oil or jojoba oils, which prevent irritation. How to use: take a small amount, massage gently in circulation motion for 30 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water. Use only 2 times a week. Perfect for flaky and peeling lips. Number 2, honey and brown sugar treatment. This is a winter favorite and highly rated natural remedy. Honey is a natural emulsient. It pulls moisture into the lips and helps heal cracks. Brown sugar exfoliate without being harsh. How to use: mix honey and brown sugar. Massage only gently for 1 minute. Leave one for 5 minutes. Wipe off with a damp cloth. Lips feel instantly smoother and nourishes. Number 3. Lactic acid lip exfoliator. Many top rated lips treatment now use mild lactic acid instead of raw particle. Lactic acid dissolves dead skin gently and helps lips look plump and smooth. How to use: apply a thin layer, leave one as directed. Do not overuse. Follow with a thin lip balm. Best for people who do not like gritty scrubs. Number 4. Shea butter lip marks. Shea butter based lip marks are extremely popular in winter. Shea butter deeply moistures, repairs cracked lips, and protect the skin's barriers. Overnight lips mix with shea butters are especially effective. How to use: apply a thin layer before bed, leaving overnight. Wake up with soft, held lips, great for severely dry lips. Hyaluronic acid lips treatment. Hyaluronic acid is not just for face. Skin top rated lips treatment now include it for deep hydrations. It holds moisture and make lips look smoother and fuller. How to use: apply on clean lips, seal with a balm on top. Use daily in winter, perfect for dehydrated lips that feel light. Number 6, petroleum jellies overnight. This many sound simple, but it is not on the most trusted treatment. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture and prevent water loss from lips. How to use: apply after exfoliating. Use a thick layer at night. Avoid licking lips during the day. This works best when applied on slightly damp lips. Number 7. Vitamin E oil treatment. Vitamin E is now for healing and repairing damaged skin. It helps reduce cracks, dryness, and dark patches on lips. How to use Spice, a vitamin E capsule. Apply only directly on lips. Leaves overnight for 20 minutes. Use these 3 to 4 times a week in winter. 8. Beeswax based lip balm. Top rated winter lip balms often contain beeswax. Beeswax forms a protective layer on lips while allowing them a breathe to breathe. It protects lips from cold, wind, and dryness. How to use apply before going outside. Reapply after eating. Use daily in winter. Ideal for outdoor protections. Bones winter lips care tips. Drink enough water even in winter. Avoid licking your lips. Use a humidifier at night if possible. Always apply lip balm before sleeping. Exfoliate gently and not too often. Final thoughts. Soft lips in winter are not impossible. You just need the right combination of exfoliations and deep hydrations. These 8 top rated scrubs and treatment can completely transfer dry, cracked lips into smooth and healthy ones. If you find these videos helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Comment below and tell me which lips treatment you are going